వెల్కమ్ టు తెలుగు 360. దిస్ ఈస్ ప్రజ్ఞ. సో ఇవాళ మనతో ఎవరో ఉన్నారు తెలుసా? రంభ ఊర్వశి మేనకాలో మేనక గారు అయితే మనతో ఉన్నారనమాట. సో ఆమె పేరు ప్రీషా సింగ్. సో ఆమె ఈ మూవీతో అయితే మన ముందుకు వచ్చేస్తున్నారు. అసలు ఈ మూవీ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, ఆమె క్యారెక్టర్ ఎలా ఉండబోతుంది, అసలు ఆ వర్క్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ ఏంటి అనేది అయితే అడిగి తెలుసుకుందాం. హాయ్, నమస్తే.
హాయ్, నమస్కారం.
హౌ ఆర్ యూ?
బాగుంది.
బాగున్నాను. యా. సో రంభ ఊర్వశి మేనక. సో ఈ మూవీతో ఐ థింక్ మీరు ఫుల్ ఫ్లెడ్జ్డ్గా ఒక మూవీలో కనిపిస్తున్నారు, రైట్? సో హౌ వాజ్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్, మూవీ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
Experience was really amazing. I learned a lot through this film. So many things, and so much. Then, like, I learned a lot about myself, that I could feel that way also. Like, playing such a divine character and feeling that feminine energy in me, like every day on set. It was a really great experience, and I could see changes in me, like the way I used to be before earlier, and now after playing this character, and understood a lot more about like feminine energy and everything. So yeah, it was a great experience working on this film.
Superb. So how you got this opportunity? Have you did any audition for this in previously?
Previously for this film, no, I have gone through a look test for sure. I have been introduced to Hasya movies through my this our editor, which he's Prashad Garu. So he saw me in my past films pre-release event, and that's where we got connected. And he asked me, like he told me that I would want you to introduce to this production house, and that's how this movie happened.
సో వైల్ షూటింగ్ మీకు బాగా డిఫికల్ట్ అనిపించిన సీన్స్ ఏమైనా ఉన్నాయా? సో మేనక రోల్ ఇట్స్ నాట్ ఈజీ.
It's not easy.
సో ఇట్స్ లైక్ గాడెస్.
Yes.
వన్ ఆఫ్ ద గాడెస్ రోల్. సో ఈ రోల్ అనేది చాలా డిఫికల్ట్ కాబట్టి ఆర్ యూ ఫేస్డ్ ఎనీ డిఫికల్టీస్?
Yeah, definitely. To get into Menika's shoes was like it was really challenging with that like costume, accessories, and how that very feminine way, the way they act, all your like hand postures, body posture has to be like very
nicely
and look good, like the way like the feminine this Apsara's looks. So yeah.
Actually, what position do you try to pose in that nicely? Difficult to.
Yeah, you should. It's just that you always have to like stand tall and
like this
with
type.
the like graceful gestures
Yeah.
and keep always smiling and this that. So yeah, it was challenging, but it was beautiful. Yeah.
సో యాక్చువల్గా చాలా వరకు కూడా ఒక హీరోయిన్ అనేవాళ్ళు తెలుగులో ఇంట్రడ్యూస్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే మంచి లవ్ స్టోరీని చూస్ చేసుకుంటూ ఉంటారు. బట్ యూ చూస్ ఆల్రెడీ one difficult buddy movie. Then you choose Spy. Then now you choose Ramba Urvasi Menaka. So is there any different reasons behind on this choosing character?
Different reasons, not really, to be very honest. But yeah, these kind of characters are like has more like diverse, like to act in it, and it's again very challenging to act such characters. So yeah, that's what like drawn me towards these characters. And of course I want to play as a love story, that girl next door girl also. But this is also like it just happened to happen, and I'm glad that this happened to me.
So Naresh garto screen sharing ఎలా అనిపించింది? హౌ వాజ్ ద ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్?
చాలా బాగుంది. It was great, easy working with him. He's such great actor, and he's actually an amazing actor, and as a human he's outstanding person, very sweet, kind, humble, and yeah, so it was very nice experience.
Have you learned any quality to him?
That switch on switch off acting. I mean, like when I get into like my shot, I just like get little okay, so preparing for that, getting into that mood and all. But he's just the other way. Like he just like he's sitting like this normally, and the shot, and he just like starts acting. So I was like, wow. So that was something. It was very like inspiring.
So have you seen any previous movies to him?
I have. Of course I have. So
what is the movie?
Yeah, but that's what I don't remember the name. So
Actually, he did so many
Of course, he did
comedy
so many.
movies. Yeah.
I'm bad at names actually, so that's why. Yeah.
సో అంటే దీనికి కొంచెం సిమిలర్ గా ప్రీవియస్ మూవీ ఒకటి ఉంటుంది అనమాట, ఎముడికి మొగుడు మూవీ. సో అది కూడా కొంచెం సిమిలర్లీ లైక్ దిస్ రంభా ఊర్వశి
Yeah.
మేనకా టైప్. అందులో ఎముడు కూతురు వస్తుంది అనమాట, డాటర్. షీ విల్ కమ్ ఇన్ ఆన్ ఎర్త్ అనమాట.
Okay.
సో ఆ టైప్ ఆఫ్ లో ఉంది కాబట్టి, సో షూటింగ్ టైంలో కొన్ని డిఫికల్ట్ సీన్స్ అనేవి ఉంటాయి మనకి. సీన్స్ అనేవి టఫ్ అనిపిస్తాయి.
I think the one we shot for that when we are coming from the heaven, no? So
Okay.
that was in the night time we were shooting, and it was on that long stools with those heels, costumes, accessories. So standing for that for longer time, and you know, it was really challenging. It was really painful for our feet, but it was tough. So that was one very challenging. And again, song which we are like doing right now. So I mean that the steps and all all gonna see it's very tough.
యా, విష్ణుప్రియ, యువర్ కో-యాక్ట్రెస్. యా.
Super.
యా. సో అంటే తను ఎక్కడున్నా సరే అక్కడ ఒక లైక్ టైప్ ఆఫ్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ ఉంటుంది, ఫన్నీగా,
Always fun. Very
Yeah.
fun.
ఫన్ గా, జోయల్ గా అలా
Yeah,
ఉంటుంది.
Yes.
సో తనతో ఎలా అనిపించింది బాండింగ్ అనేది?
It was very initially it was like I was finding it like, wow, this person has a lot of energy, and how she's just always so cheerful. But now we have got used to it, and it's always, and there's a never dull moment around her. Everybody is just always, everyone is laughing when she's around. So yeah, it's nice. Like,
సో
it was
సే
good
సంథింగ్
experience.
అబౌట్ రాశి గారు.
Again, she is a very sweetheart person, very kind, nice, supportive, and she loves to feed people. So she like you know, she order food and like likes to feed everyone. So
విచ్ క్వాలిటీ డూ యూ మోస్ట్ అబ్జర్వ్డ్ ఇన్ దోస్ పర్సన్స్, విష్ణుప్రియ అండ్ రాశి?
quality is that, like, yeah, again they are very professional, very punctual, and they have each his own like kind of thing, two different personalities definitely, and yeah, so very professional, I would say.
If you grab that one quality for them, which one you take?
Oh. Grab.
Yeah.
That energy from Vishnupriya. And
Okay.
from Rashi, I think I think even I also love to feed people, so that is something, it's very already similar is there. So that.
Then Naresh garu.
The way he is, that his acting, of course, the way he acts, like the way performance, of course.
పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ గ్రాప్ చేసేస్తారు.
Yeah.
పెద్ద ప్లానింగ్ వేశారు మరి పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్ దిగేసుకుందాం అని చెప్పి.
A lot to learn from him as a like he's such a versatile actor and a great personality, a great human being. So well, definitely many things.
మీరు తెలుగు మూవీస్ చూస్తుంటారా?
చూస్తాం.
రీసెంట్ గా చూసిన తెలుగు మూవీ?
Recently I saw Peddi film. Yeah.
సో రామ్ చరణ్ గారు
రామ్ చరణ్
పెర్ఫార్మెన్స్
గారు,
ఎలా
yeah.
అనిపించింది?
బాగుంది కదా, he performed really well. Yeah.
సో పెద్ది మూవీ నుంచి మా కోసం ఏదైనా ఒక సాంగ్
Song
పాడాలి, సింగ్ చేయాలి.
what's that lyric?
పెద్ది
Peddi.
చికిరి.
Oh, I was like, Peddi, what I was saying. Yeah, but jiggery. Yeah,
చిక్రి.
Yeah. I love this dance in that.
ఒక టూ లైన్స్ మా కోసం.
No, I can't sing that. I don't want to ruin.
ఓకే.
And also I can't sing actually, so I don't want to sing.
ఓకే. సో విచ్ యాక్ట్రెస్ మోస్ట్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్స్డ్ యూ?
Priyanka Chopra. I fond of her, and she's my inspiration. So
ఓకే. సో ఇన్ తెలుగు?
in Telugu I like Samantha. I like Tamanna. Yeah.
యా, అంటే నేను యాక్చువల్గా ఇందాకే తెలిసింది మీరు ఒక డైలాగ్ మంచిగా చెప్పడానికి ట్రై చేశారని. సో మేము వినొచ్చా ఆ డైలాగ్?
I know like కత్తిలాదు కాదు, కంటిలాది చూపుతో చేపిస్తా.
వావ్, అంటే మీకు అర్థం కాకపోయి ఉండొచ్చు. కత్తులతో కాదు, కంటి చూపుతో చంపేస్తా.
కత్తిలాదు కాదు, కంటి చూపుతో
చంపేస్తా. ఇంత నైస్ గా చెప్తే, ఇంత స్మార్ట్ గా చెప్తే ఎవరు భయపడరు. ఎలా చెప్పాలి తెలుసా, అగ్రెసివ్గా చెప్పాలి.
But this is like, this will happen in real life. కత్తిలాది కాదు, చంపితే
కంటి చూపుతో
చంపేస్తా.
చంపేస్తా. ఎనీవే మీరు ట్రై చేసినందుకైనా మీకు ఓకే డన్. బాలకృష్ణ ఫ్యాన్స్ కొంచెం యా. సో దెన్ నా దగ్గర కొన్ని ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఐ హ్యావ్ సమ్ ర్యాపిడ్ ఫైర్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఫర్ యూ. యా. Co-star who makes you laugh the most.
Co-star
Yeah.
makes me love the most. Uh, my fellow actors, Rashi and Vishnu Priya, they were like so sweet to me.
Is there any funny incident on while shooting?
So this film is fun, and we are always just, when saying dialogues only, it's always like, you know, the like cracking jokes or something. So while shooting, this entire film was a fun part. So not as such like a very particular funny incidents, but yeah, I think this, while shooting this film was like a great fun ride.
Okay. Then second one. Scene to shoot, emotional or action?
Oh, it's tough one. Tough to shoot, you say?
Yeah,
Action, of course.
action.
Yeah.
Your current celebrity crush?
I like Advisesh.
అడివిశేష్.
Yeah.
ఓకే. సో అడివిశేష్ గారి మూవీ ఏం చూసారు మీరు రీసెంట్లీ?
Dacoit.
డెకాయిట్.
Dacoit. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's how we like pronouncing it, Dacoit. Yeah.
So next one. What is your biggest weird habit?
Weird habit. Huh. I sometimes talk to myself when I'm alone, like, so that is weird.
That's not weird.
Everybody talks.
Everyone do. I also do like that.
See, thank God. So like, it's not weird. but
That's not
good
weird. Okay, tell me, what is your weird combination in food?
In food.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is very weird. Like when I'm a chaat lover, and when I eat that bhel puri, so I add that pani puri ka pani in that bhel, and I eat that.
This is weird.
You find
Yeah.
it weird enough? Yeah.
Something weird.
Yeah.
Yeah. Texting or talking on the phone?
I would like to just talk and finish the conversation. I can't just go longer on text until
Text.
unless I want to time pass.
Yeah. Next one. One thing people get wrong about you.
But sometimes people think because I'm very silent, like introvert, so people think I'm arrogant, which I'm not. I'm very nice, kind person.
So people don't think like that.
It's
She is
okay.
not
I'm not
introvert.
arrogant at all, please.
Yeah. Then second one. What is your midnight snack?
Midnight snack. So I keep those chanas always with me, or any munchies like wasabi chana is there. So I love wasabi, so with that I do that.
Yeah, okay. Then my midnight snack is Lace packet. So
These are all used to me. Now I cannot afford to have Lace, but the time whenever you get, of course, anything with potato, yes.
yeah. So next one. One makeup item you cannot live without.
My lip balm or
Lip balm.
lipstick, whatever, like so.
How long does it take you to get ready?
15 minutes, 10 to 15 minutes.
10 to 15 minutes.
Very quick. I get ready like this. Every man, and yeah, whoever gonna date me, he'll be blessed.
Biggest fashion mistake you ever made?
Fashion mistake. You know, you keep making those mistakes in general, but I don't remember as such like I have made any such mistake. But you just go with different kind of accessories, or not the color is going well with the coordinations with that.
And next, what is your most favorite accessory?
Rings. I love rings. I love wearing rings. So I always make sure that
Yeah,
some
that ring
rings are
was
there.
also nice.
Yeah.
And next, vintage style or futuristic fashion?
Vintage style. Yes.
Like retro.
Yeah, I like those kind. I'm a very old school girl. So, yeah.
Superb. Okay, last and final. Worst advice you ever received?
Worst or best
Worst
advice?
advice.
Oh, okay. Worst advice is like people. So many people told me to get done my lip fillers. So that is, I find it worse, and I haven't taken that
Okay.
advice. And the best advice, People always tell me that you be you the way you are. So
Mhm.
I feel like okay, that's nice.
So finally, say something about this film.
Yeah. So this film is a fun, entertaining, very amazing film. Great film you're gonna watch, and I'm very much assured that people will love this film and they will enjoy the most. So on 4th of September, do watch Ramba Urvashi Meka near Theatre View.
ఇంత క్యూట్గా చెప్పినప్పుడు థియేటర్కి రాకుండా ఎవరు ఉండరు. సో September 4th అందరు థియేటర్స్కి వచ్చి రంభా ఊర్వశి మేనక మూవీని అయితే చూసేసేయండి.
Please do so.
ఆల్ ద బెస్ట్.
Thank
థ్యాంక్
you.
యూ.